As we're nearing the month of May, some exciting events coming up for June that you won't want to miss. That includes the 2024 Heard That Conference, which is presented by the University of Nebraska's Women in Agriculture program. The Nebraska Women in Agriculture program, along with the Nebraska Beef Quality Assurance program, set to host the 4th annual Heard That Conference next month. Beginning June 10th through the 11th, participants at the event will learn from industry experts as well as University of Nebraska Extension professionals through several hands-on workshops.
Heard That is typically focused on the livestock production sector of the ag industry, but this year we decided to narrow our focus even deeper, and we're going to really dive into beef cattle reproduction. So anyone out there that wants to make sure that they have all of the current knowledge, all of the current best practices to really improve their reproductive practices on their operation, this year's Heard That is a great learning opportunity. Our program is broken into 2 separate days. Monday, June 10th, we're going to start off in the late afternoon with a tour of TD Angus, and they are a seed stock production located just outside of North Platte, and really learn about some of the new technology that they're implementing in their program. And we'll follow that up with dinner and a keynote speaker. We were lucky enough to nab Taryn Dreiling as a keynote speaker, and she's going to come in and talk about how we can use some of those animal handling techniques that we've all kind of learned as best practices to also filter into our business operations, working with our families. It's going to be a really engaging keynote. So if you're available for Monday night, I think we're going to have a great time. But Tuesday is going to be our really heavy content and instruction day. We've got workshops all day that are a fabulous mixture of hands-on and some classroom style learning. We've got workshops on ultrasounding and really the anatomy of artificial insemination, but we're also offering a BQA training and then some hands-on practicing of the safe handling of hormones. You know, I think especially as female producers, we're handling a lot of these reproductive hormones, but there are some special considerations that we need to make sure, some precautions that we're taking. And we're really going to dive into that.
The Women in Ag Heard That Conference, again taking place June 10th and 11th at the West Central Research and Extension Center in North Platte. You can still take advantage of the early bird registration, which is $125 for the full conference and $75 for one-day registration. You can do so to the end of the month. Prices for registration will go up on the 1st of June to $150 for full conference and $90 for one-day registration. For more information or to register, visit wia.unl.edu/heardthat.